Perfect. Perfect.
Welcome back, everybody in YouTube land. Today on the Flippin' Mike Show, I'm going to show you a couple things I did not show you yesterday. So, we're working on this Yamaha Timberwolf right here. There is a screw right here that is your air to fuel ratio. That needs to be set 2 complete turns out from all the way in. So, let's go all the way in with her here. So, that's all the way in. Let's make a mark so that you can see where it ends up. So after you take this little needle out and you clean it, you want to take it out 2 complete turns. So let's see if we can go 2 complete turns. We go 1, and that's a half turn, 2, 3, and 4 half turns. Now that sucker will be set. That is where you want it to be. The bottom of the float bowl here. I also want to make sure, I had to grab this thing with the pliers because it was froze up, that you unfreeze this little guy. We're going to pull it out and we're going to clean off this little cylinder here. Right here. With some steel wool, very fine, and make sure inside this little hole is nice and clean. Alright, so when we get back, we're going to have this thing all put back together, bolted up. I got the intake boot in there installed. We also have the brand new airbox. Woohoo! So, hopefully after doing these couple things, we'll be going on a test drive and seeing how this little buddy giddy ups and goes. Thanks for watching.
He's back today. He took to our WIDA FM Facebook page.
Well, there you have it, folks. She looks like she works, she runs, she drives. She works pretty nice. I mean, it's got a high idle, but I do have a brand new carburetor coming for it because this one has some internal spring issues. So you seen I fixed that little spring. You want to make sure that that little actuator inside there moves up and down. But other than that, this is as good as it's gonna get until I get the rest of my parts. So I had the air box. I just need to get the hose that goes from the air box to the carburetor hooked up, put the filters in the carburetor. It should be ready to go for what the guy wants done with it. I'm gonna have to let him know that he needs to pay some attention to his brakes. The brakes are very shabby. The back one doesn't move at all. The front ones, or the handle one, isn't very responsive. So, thanks for watching. Flippin' Mike. I'll see you on the next show. Yee!
Perfect.